Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the skin disease level classification using machine learning. So let's open the project folder. Now in the first folder there will be static images and the second folder for the templates that contain the result.html and uploads.html. Let's go back. Now these are the uploaded images for the uploading, and this will be the app.py file. That will be the Python code. And now we are importing the model and uploading that particular image for the predictions, and we'll generate the result. And this will be the model. To both our models, open the terminal and run python space app.py file. Then enter. So it will generate the link. We have to just click on that particular URL by pressing Ctrl. So it will open the web page. Here we have to choose that particular file for the skin and tissue injury. So let's click on choose file. Then select any image. Then click on upload button. So it will show the prediction stage 1. Let's upload another image. Let's upload this image and then click on the upload button. So it will show the stage prediction 3. Let's click on back button. Let's upload any other image. Now click on the upload button. Okay, it will predict the stage 4. Like it will predict the stages of the skin injury. Let's try to upload that particular image. Then click on upload button. So it predict the stage 3 like that. Let's upload any other image. Selecting that image. Then click on upload button. Okay, it will predict the stage 2. So this will be the complete project. If you're in doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching projects, then you can contact us. I will provide the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with a friend. Thank you.